I've been in this way for long. I'm telling you, I will not be destroyed. I will not be destroyed. This one will not save his people. He won't save his people with the cross. He won't save his people with the cross. This boy is ready to it. This boy is ready to it. I'm not seeing any person. I'm not seeing any person.
Stretch your hands, quick.
I will not leave this boy. I would have struggled to deliver him there. No way. Many times. Why are you? Why are you not deliver me?
Who tried to deliver him?
America for deliverance. Not here, Malabu. I see him for small. I see you like this little. You needed to deliver me. The spirit there, it has been for long. Thousands of years.
Jesus.
From his father's side. Who are you? Who are you, this boy? Who are you? I don't see you. I don't see you. I don't see you. When I came and see the church, no, don't see on the altar. There was no room. I said, what's this church? This church will deliver me. I need to go to a very deliverance. Father, the son. You have made a son to beat me.
The son has beat you.
You have made a son to beat me. I've never been a church and there's no shelter. Son has beat me, son. Don't make me to go. I can fly there. I can fly there. The floor is hot.
The floor is hot.
It's hot. Everywhere is hot. Open my eyes, let me take.
Wait, you came here, you were not blind, now you are blind. What happened?
Open now, brother. Open just a break.
You're calling me brother.
Nobody man, I beg. Open just a corner. I'm not seeing, no. I'm not going my relatives, oh. My family, I'm not seeing. I came here, I'm seeing. What is happening? I'm not seeing. Open this one, no. Let me go. Madam, open one eye, no. I came here well. I'm not seeing again. Open me one eye, let me go, no.
Okay, apologize to our church. When you apologize, your one eye will open. Listen to me. Apologize. Our church does not have zing. You have insulted us. Apologize. Say, I'm sorry. Say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry to you.
If you don't apologize, you will soon grow dumb.
I'm sorry to you.
You will soon grow dumb.
To the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords.
Anyone you want to apologize.
The ancients of days.
Anyone you want to apologize to.
I surrender.
Apologize. Say, I'm sorry.
I said the word apology.
Yes, you must.
Let me say it.
Yes. Say, church. I apologize for insulting you. Say, even if you don't have roof, you have grace. I have seen it with my eyes. It has blinded me. I will not need to go to America to be free. This same church, there is God here. I'm free. Free, and the accidents that took away your call, you survive it today. In the name of Jesus. Look at me, can you see me? How many is this? How many is this? How many is this? How many is this? What happened to your dress? What happened to your dress? What happened to your dress? You don't know. What happened? You say our church is an ugly church. You are not going to say it. Who say it? You did not came like this. How you came? You are putting your mouth here. Now this is how you are. That's a man who got blind. If you look at his eyes, the white place was the one showing, the black had gone. Just here. And why? His ordinations were thought. I've ever seen a time they tried to initiate him into occultism. He's saying that his life has gone down. He doesn't know that they used him to mess his life up. It's left for him now to make a choice. His restoration is in submission and followership. I'm not going to say that more than once. He got blind, and a touch opened it. Like to celebrate God.